welcome back to Dawn Investments. Today's video is just going to be a quick recap on some of today's trades. We're on a little bit of a green day streak, and a couple of our traders are too in our Discord. So I figured I should, go over some of the trades we made today and how we are trading them and how we're gonna be trading stuff tomorrow and so forth. Okay, so getting right into it, our first trade today comes from TRXC. We actually swung this. This wasn't a day trade for us. We swung it yesterday. We bought here at this point on this pullback, consolidated here, and we bought it at 266. And we held it for a pretty long time with our stop loss in place and never hit the stop loss. We moved up the stop loss once it hit $3 yesterday. But again, it didn't hit the stop loss. And then we held it overnight. We were scared a little bit because it came down, but then it went up and we sold it. We actually didn't sell it here. We were hoping it was going to go past 319, but it ended up selling at 310. And it was a good time to get out because we sold it as it was declining on its third top. This triple top formation right here. As it was declining, we sold pretty early because we noticed the pattern formation and we thought it would go lower than this. But the stock's consolidating, so there's a chance it might go up to 3 tomorrow. But for now, we're out. And that was TRXC. We made a good profit off of that. Next one we traded today was actually a day trade. We saw it spike in the morning. We called it out at the spike around here. We didn't enter though. And then once it formed this little double bottom right here, we called it out in the Discord, said we're jumping in. We jumped in here. We sold for a quick 12% gain. We thought it was a bit extended, so we waited. We figured it was going back up because it was still moving up with the EMAs. So we got in again after we saw the next available pullback, which is right here. It pulled back to this resistance, right? This support right here. We bought in, and then we sold again right here at for 10% gain. And then we stopped with this. It ran up a little farther, but we just locked in profits because, we were already up in the day and we didn't really want to or need to hold it any longer than we already have. So that was really the play, our main day trade. And our last trade for today was actually another swing trade. And it's not there. It was actually CRR. We swung it from yesterday. We didn't make too much of a gain on this one, but profit is profit. We bought it here. We bought it yesterday here around 762, and then it spiked up, power hour right before the market closed, and it continued that trend going into today, and we sold at $8, I believe. We didn't, as you can see, it went up way higher than $8, but we just didn't want to keep taking the risk on CRR. We weren't 100% sure, so we just took the gain we got and left it at that for the quick 5% gain. It's not bad. It's not perfect, but it was something. So yeah, this kept running actually. So in reality we should have held it, but that was really it. In terms of for tomorrow, we're swinging GNC just overnight, maybe not for a long-term hold because it had bad earnings, but we see that it is at a support right here. It was bouncing. It's about to break the 50-day EMA, and also on a 5-minute chart, it just broke the 200-day EMA. So we saw that as confirmation signs to get in. We could be wrong, like I said. It had bad earnings, so I would be careful with this one if you plan on jumping in. And we're also paying attention to AGN for similar reasons. Like I said, with GNC, similar to Similar to GNC, AGEN is at a support. It had a big insider buy, and it has a large profit for potential on the 180-day chart if it breaks this 200-day EMA on that. And that's what we're going to just look at early pre-market tomorrow, other than the other stocks we're going to call out. If you want to join our Discord so you can, get more of these call outs, we call them out every day. People in the Discord have been making a lot of profits. If you're trying to find some of these call outs, you can just join us at any time or even private message me, and I'll try to respond to you as quickly as possible so you guys can get the best type of entry. But easier than that, you can just join the Discord, and we'll help you find the stocks you need to make a profit. And that's really it for our daily recap. Thanks for watching.